We'll return to your program in just a moment. But to get the garden of your dreams, sometimes you need tips from the experts. And that's why I'm here with retail manager John Lewandowski at Bluemel's Garden and Landscape Center. It's time for Green Thumb Tips.
Yes, it is.
John, people have a lot of questions when it comes to selecting plants. What do you recommend if they want color all season long?
I recommend that people mix their garden with a mixture of annuals and perennials. That way you get a nice selection and you get very different bloom periods.
Which makes sense, but people often confuse annuals with perennials. What is the difference?
The difference is that annuals are plants that you have to plant every year, so think annually. Perennials are plants that come back every year.
And what suggestions do you have for someone that's designing their garden?
I recommend that people really pay attention to how big the plant actually is going to get. So pay attention to the plant tag. On the back, you'll usually see the plant height, and then you'll also see spacing recommendations.
That sounds great. And for your gardening needs, make sure you stop by Bluemel's Garden Landscape Center.